The reality behind a 8K recording, and a new single pill-hole display. Apple got a lot to offer in their next iPhone with a couple of new features and new hardware changes. The first in the list is this new 48 megapixel camera, which is a big update over the previous generation. And according to Ming Chi Kuo, your 48 megapixel camera will not just take a high resolution pictures, but also provide a 8K video recording, which will improve your experience if you play those on your Apple TV or any big display. And Apple is also including a 12 megapixel capability in the same camera. This is because getting a low light images with a 48 megapixel brings noise. So Apple will automatically lower the resolution to prevent noise at night. And this was out in the earlier testing of iPhone 14 Pro Max 48 megapixel camera. You might be excited about the new pill-hole display, and let me tell you some inside information of how this pill+hole display becomes a long pill. And surprisingly, Apple just decided to this a few days ago, and this is just a software thing. But things to notice, Apple should give users the chance to turn this off or on based on their preferences. The ones who buy iPhone should know about this. It's been 3 months ago, Apple is thinking of increasing the price for all 4 models by $100. And suddenly, a week ago, a rumor came up saying Apple is relooking at the price. Now some rumors says it will be a $50 jump instead of $100. And some says a whole new direction for the price of iPhone 14 Pro Max. So price may vary between $50 jump or no price increase for all the models of iPhone 14 lineup. Have you heard about a satellite feature coming for iPhone 14 Pro Max? It is true, and it is coming, but let me tell you something, and you guys might agree with me. This will be hard for Apple to make this available to the whole world. At first, I would say it will be only available in the US market. Let's hope it will include multiple countries. And Apple is not the only who are doing this, but Google is also working on this and will give this feature in the upcoming Android phone. The bigger the better. Apple is going to put a bigger battery in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and for that reason, a slightly bigger, faster charging speed with the 30 watt of fast charger. As usual, you have to buy additional, not included in the box. And with this, Apple is also improving a thermal management in the A16 Bionic chipset, meaning your new iPhone 14 Pro Max will get less heat up compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Did you guys know that the US developer have the Pro models of iPhone 14 Pro Max? According to their user experience, a pill-hole seems to be not a big update, and the phone feels heavy. The back cameras are big compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the A16 Bionic chipset is few percent better than the A15, but thermals are better. Apple is going with the same storage option for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1TB version. A leak just came out where we might not see 128 gigs version. Maybe it is true for Pro versions, and base model will get a 128 gigs version. There's one speculation around we might see a space zoom feature in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and as in the invitation picture it says far out, it was showing a galaxy picture, meaning there's something special coming on iPhone 14 this year. Or it's just a satellite feature. Your iPhone 14 mini is not coming this year, and Apple is changing the name from 14 Max to 14 Plus. This doesn't even matter, but Apple maybe just want to differentiate between the Pro versions and non-Pro ones. Did you guys know that Apple just got trolled by a big company, but not on that new display? So if you want the reason, you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.